Hey everyone, and welcome to another amazing adventure into the animal kingdom. Today, we're diving into the world of one of the most clever and beautiful creatures out there. They're fluffy, they have bushy tails, and they've starred in countless stories and fables. That's right, we're talking about foxes. Get ready to be amazed, because these animals are full of surprises that will make you say, wow. When you see a fox, what do you think of? A wild dog? A sly, skinny cat? Maybe even a small wolf? Well, get ready for your first aha moment. Foxes are not dogs, cats, or wolves. They actually belong to their very own special group within the Canidae family, which is the same family that includes dogs and wolves. But they are not the same. Think of it like this. Lions and tigers are both big cats, but they are very different species. It's the same with foxes. They are in a genus called vulpes, which separates them from dogs, Canis familiaris, and wolves, Canis lupus. This unique position in the animal family tree is what gives them such a fascinating mix of cat-like and dog-like behaviors, making them truly one of a kind. They are their own special kind of amazing. Have you ever used a GPS to find your way? It's pretty handy, right? Well, foxes have something even cooler built right into their brains. They have an astonishing natural GPS system that uses the Earth's magnetic field to hunt. Scientists have observed red foxes doing something incredible called mousing. When they are hunting for small prey like mice or voles, hidden under deep snow or thick grass, they almost always leap in a northeasterly direction. It turns out they can sense the planet's magnetic field, and they use it like a targeting system to calculate the exact distance and direction to their unseen meal. By aligning their pounce with the magnetic north, they dramatically increase their chances of landing directly on their prey. Imagine having a superpower that lets you know exactly where to jump to find a hidden snack. That's a fox for you. Okay, so they have a built-in compass. What else? How about super hearing? Foxes have incredibly sensitive ears that can do something that sounds like it's straight out of a comic book. They can hear prey moving underground. Their large, satellite dish-shaped ears can swivel independently, allowing them to pinpoint the faintest of sounds. A fox can be walking along and suddenly freeze, tilting its head from side to side. It's not just being cute. It's triangulating the position of a mouse digging a tunnel a few feet below the surface. They can hear the low-frequency sounds of digging and scurrying that are completely silent to us. Once they lock on, they perform that amazing high pounce we just talked about, diving headfirst to catch their subterranean snack. It's like having X-ray hearing. We humans use words to talk, but how do foxes communicate? You might have heard a fox make a scream-like sound at night, but that's just one tiny part of their vocabulary. Foxes are incredible communicators and can make over 40 different sounds. They have a complex range of barks, yips, growls, howls, and screams to talk to each other. A short, sharp woo bark is often a warning call. A mother fox uses a soft, guttural sound to call her kits. During mating season, they let out an eerie, high-pitched scream known as the vixen's call. Each sound has a specific meaning, whether it's to warn of danger, find a mate, or tell other foxes to stay out of their territory. They are constantly chatting with each other. We just need to learn their language. In many stories and cartoons, foxes are shown as sneaky, tricky villains. Think of characters like Swiper the Fox or the Sly Fox from Pinocchio. But is that really fair? The truth is, foxes are not evil or sneaky. They are just incredibly smart and curious. Their intelligence is what helps them survive in a huge variety of environments, from deep forests to bustling cities. They are expert problem solvers. If they need to find food, they figure out how to get into a fox-proof chicken coop or open a garbage can. This isn't sneakiness, it's resourcefulness. Their curiosity drives them to explore their surroundings and learn, which sometimes gets them into funny situations. So next time you see a fox, don't think trickster, think genius. Here's a fact that will really make you question everything you thought you knew. Some foxes can climb trees. While we often associate climbing with cats, the North American gray fox is a master acrobat of the forest canopy. They have strong hooked claws that are semi-retractable, much like a cat's, which gives them a powerful grip on tree bark. They climb trees to escape predators like coyotes, to rest on a high branch, or even to raid bird nests for eggs. They are the only members of the dog family that can climb trees so expertly. They can even climb down a tree face first, which is a very rare skill. Sometimes see foxes in our neighborhoods. Some people might worry that they are dangerous. But let's clear that up right now. foxes are naturally shy and prefer to avoid people. An encounter with a fox is usually just it passing through, and it's far more scared of you than you are of it. Attacks on humans are incredibly rare. A fox will almost always run away if a person gets too close. The only time a fox might act boldly is if it has become used to people feeding it, which is why it's so important to never leave food out for wild animals. By keeping our distance and respecting their space, we can coexist peacefully and admire these beautiful animals without any fear. Finally, you might hear some people call foxes pests, because they sometimes get into trash cans or gardens. But this label is completely unfair. In fact, foxes are the opposite of pests. They are a huge help to our ecosystem. Their main diet consists of rodents like mice, rats, and voles. A single fox family can eat thousands of rodents every year. By doing this, they help control the rodent population naturally. This is super important because too many rodents can damage crops and spread diseases. Foxes also eat insects and berries, helping to disperse seeds. They are a vital part of a healthy, balanced environment. So instead of being a pest, the fox is actually one of nature's best pest controllers. From their built-in magnetic compass and super hearing to their complex language and amazing tree climbing skills, foxes are so much more than meets the eye. They are intelligent, curious, and essential members of our natural world who deserve our respect and admiration. So the next time you're lucky enough to spot one, remember all the incredible secrets it holds. Thanks for joining us today to uncover the amazing world of foxes. What was your favorite fact? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tune in next time for another exciting journey. Until then, stay curious.